Hello, students. Can you all hear me?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Let's start. We're going to start from question number 10. If you have any problem in any question till question number 9, you can just ask me.
Miss, I know the addition rules of these, but can you please again tell me the subtraction rules?
Subtraction rule. What did you mean by subtraction rule?
Miss, like plus minus of plus, but can you tell me the rules of minus?
Okay. So the rules are, so if you are adding or subtracting, if you have same sign, it will equal to plus. If you have opposite signs, it equals to minus.
Miss, I understand this, but I don't understand the signs either.
If you have same signs, you get plus. Okay, always we are going to write the sign of the bigger number. This is what we're asking.
Yes, Miss.
Always write the sign of bigger number, but actually what we're going to do, if you have same signs, actually you're going to add them, but the sign will be of the bigger number. If you have opposite signs, actually you're going to subtract them, but the signs will be of bigger number. Yes, Mustafa, any confusion? Ishal Fatma, Kareem, Ishal, any confusions?
Miss, your voice is laggy.
Okay, okay. Let's start question number 10. In question number 10, there is decimal subtraction and decimal addition. So students, listen to me carefully. A part. Minus 88.8 minus 16.24. But you have to put decimal under decimal.
Miss,
So you have minus 88.8, you will put minus 88.8 here. But you have 16.24, so you will put 16.24 like this. You have to put decimal under decimal. So what are the remaining spaces? This space is remaining, so on the remaining space, we will put a 0. Okay? So first of all, we will put decimal under decimal. Then whatever the spaces are remaining, you will put 0. This is the first step.
Miss,
Now, what is the next step? Have to see. Yes,
Miss,
yes, yes,
Miss, if we
yes.
put zero, Miss, if we put zero at the end of minus 88.80, won't the whole
Yes.
number, won't the whole value be changed?
No.
Okay.
Okay. After putting the 0, you have to see the signs. Both of the signs, we have the same signs. Whenever we have same signs, we need to do add or subtract. If we have same signs, we need to either add or subtract. Tell me. Add. We have same signs, so we need to add them. Okay. So 0 plus 4 is
4. 4,
8 plus 2 is
10.
10. 1 carry. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 6 is
15.
15. 1 carry. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. Decimal under decimal. Now, what is the bigger number? Bigger number is 88. What is the sign of 88.80?
Minus.
Negative. So the bigger number is going to come over here, minus 105.04. Is the question clear to everyone?
Yes. Yes, Miss.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Now I am giving you 2 minutes to do the part, then I will do it on the screen and then you can check it. Do B and C part on your own on the notebook.
Minus 9.27. Minus 9.27.
Have you all done B and C, both of the parts?
No, miss, I am doing.
Okay, so B part is 4.73 minus 14. So it's 4.73 minus 14. So we need to put decimal over decimal. So 14 has no decimal. So we can put a decimal at the end and there will be two zeros. So we are putting the two zeros from our own because we need to put decimal over decimal. Now it is 4.73 minus 14. So means we need to subtract it. Okay. So plus the 4.73, the sign of the 4.73 is plus, and 14, the sign of the 14 is minus. So plus minus minus. Okay, so can we subtract it? Or we can write it in this way. We can write it in the other way. Okay. So what we will get? 3, 10, 9, 10. 10 minus 3 is 7. 2, 9. So we get
Minus
9.27 and bigger number is
9.27.
big minus 9.27. Okay, C part. 7.513 and minus 18.9. So we have minus 18.9 and 7.513. So it is 7.513. So the extra places are going to get zeros and plus minus is minus. So it's going to be 8, 10, 9, 10. 10 minus 3 is 7, 9 minus 1 is 8, 3.8 minus 7 is 1 and 1. So we get minus 11.387. Okay, so we are done with B and C part. Now everyone try D and D part. I'm giving you 5 minutes for D and D part.
Miss, D part is minus 41.851.
You just need to do it, and when I will do it on the screen, then you can check it. have done D and D part, so let's do minus 23.6 and plus 18.251. So it's D part minus 23.6 plus 18.25. 18.251. So for the extra places, I'm going to put zeros and plus minus is minus. So it would be 5, 9, 10 minus 1 is 9, 4, 3.5. So minus 5.349 is our answer. E part. 123.4 minus plus 5.67. 123.4, and you can see here minus minus is going to be plus. So it will be plus 5.67. So extra places are going to get zeros. So 129.07 is our correct answer. Okay, I'm again giving you 2 minutes. In fact, I'm going to give you 5 minutes for F, G, and H, all three parts. Everyone should do it. Mustafa, Muhammad, Harim, Fajr, Ishal. Are you all following me?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, miss.
Okay. Okay, coming to part F, G, and H.
Miss, can I tell you the answers?
Wait, let me do first. Let us do part F. Okay, minus 53.9 plus 32.17. And we need to put 0 over here. So it's plus minus is 9. So 8, 10 minus 7 is 3, 8 minus 1 is 7, 3 minus 2 is 1, 5 minus 3 is 2, and the sign will be negative. Okay, G. Okay, G part I should do in the next line. Okay, for the G part, there are 3 terms. So you need to be very careful. It's 73.8 minus minus plus 5.79 plus minus minus 16.732. So first of all, we will just solve the first 2 terms. Okay, so it should be 73.8, 5.79. So for this free space, we will write 0 and we will add them. So we will get 79.5. And now I will write this term over here, 16.732. So first of all, we're going to add the first 2 terms, and now we're going to subtract it from the last term. So 79.59 and 16.732. So this is subtract. So now we need to subtract with the, so we're going to put 0 over here. So 8, 10 minus 2 is 8, 5, 8, 2, 7 minus 1 is 6. So you should get 62.858. This is the final answer. Okay, H part minus 18.913 plus 2.78 minus 7.8. Okay, so we have to do is 18.913 and 2.78. This is subtract, this is add. So we will put a 0 over here and we will subtract them. 3 minus 0 is 3. 3, 1, 6, 1, minus 16.133. So now we have minus 16.133 minus 7.8. So now you're going to add them. So you will get 0, 0, 3, 3, 9, 13, 2. You get minus 23.9. Got it? Yes, is it clear with everyone? Clear with everyone? Should I move on to the next questions? Okay, now next question is multiplication and division. So we have already done these questions in our last lesson too. So 0.15 divided by 0.5 multiplied by minus 0.16 divided by 1.2. Okay, so now first of all, the main target is to finish the decimal. So we have unit tens, 2 places after decimal. So here we have 1 place after decimal. So we are going to put 1 0 over here. So we have 2 places after decimal and 2 places after decimal. Similarly, here I have 2 places after decimal, but here I have 1 place after decimal. So I'm going to put 1 0. So all of you understand that why we have to put the 0 and where we have to put the 0. To make the decimals at the similar places, we need to put the 0. Now we can cancel out the decimals. So what we are going to get is 15 divided by 50 multiplied by minus 16 divided by 120. All of you can understand this step. Can you please make me sure if you are able to understand this step?
No, miss, I don't understand the first step you did with 0.15. The very first step.
0.15. See, you can see that this is unit, this is tens. So decimal is coming after tens place, after two places. Okay. But here in the denominator, decimal is coming after one place. So we will put our zero ourselves to make the decimal come after two places. So we can cancel out the decimals over here. Okay.
Okay.
Similarly, here we can see decimal is coming after two places, unit 10. But here decimal was coming after one place. So we put a zero over here to make the decimal come after two places. So we can cancel out the zero. So we get minus 16 by 120. Clear?
Yes.
Now, because it is a sign of multiplication, we can do the simple cancellation process. So 5 times 3 is 15, 5 times 10 is 50, 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 4 is 12, 0. And then you can do 4 times 4 is 16, 4 times 10 is 40. 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 5 is 10, 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 5 is 10. So in the numerator, you are left with 1 and 1. So 1 times 1 is 1 plus minus minus. In the denominator, you are left with 5 times 5 is 25. So you got minus 1 by 25 over here. Now all of you can try B part. Try B part yourself. It will give you a better understanding.
Hello.
Yes, hello. Are you all done with B part? Have you all completed B part?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, let's see how we can do B part. It's 0.027 divided by 0.03 multiply by 1.4 divided by minus 0.18. Okay. So first of all, we need to make sure that the decimals come at the same places. So in the numerator, it's unit 10, 100. So decimal is coming after 3 points, unit 10, 100 over here. So in the denominator, we should add a 0. So decimal should come unit 10, 100 with the same point. Now we can cancel out the decimals. Similarly, over here, the decimal is coming after 2 points, but here the decimal is coming after 1 point. So we need to add 1 0. So we can now cancel out the decimals. So what we will get, 27 divided by 30 multiplied by 140 divided by 18. So you can see the zeros before our number do not count. If you write 0, 0, 3, 0, or you write 30, it's one in the same thing. Okay. So now you can just do the cancellation process. So what is cancellation process? 0 cancels out with 0. 3 times 1 is 3. 9 is 27. 9 times 1 is 9. 9 times 2 is 18. 2 times 7 is 14. So 7 is the answer. Coming to part C. Everyone do part C on their own and then I will do it on the screen. Done?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. So we are going to use C part now. C part is saying minus 0.4 square times minus 1.3 divided by 0.8 minus 0.62. So first of all, we should know what is minus 0.4 square. So on the side, we can do 0.4 multiplied by 0.4, which is equal to 16, 0.16. Okay, so we have minus minus plus. So we have 0.16 multiplied by minus 1.3 divided by 0.8 minus 0.62. So here, first of all, we need to follow 0.16 multiplied by minus 1.3. So this division can be written as like this, 0.8 minus 0.62. So if we write this division like this, we can just cancel out the decimals. So we get 0.16 multiplied by minus 13 divided by 8 minus 0.62. So now if we solve it, here I have now what happens to this decimal. Listen to me carefully. If there is a decimal, you can remove the decimal and put 1 over here. And how many digits after decimal? 2 digits after decimal, so you can put 2 zeros. So now we will get 16 by 100 multiplied by minus 13 by 8 minus 0.62. So this is what we have done because there is nothing in the denominator. So we can put a quotient, remove the decimal. So in place of the decimal, I will get 1 and 2 digits, so I will get 2 zeros. So in this way, I can remove decimal. So now it is 8 times 1 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16, 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 50 is 100. So I will get minus 13 by 50 minus 0.62. So now I will remove the decimal, I will get 1 and 2 digits, so 2 zeros. So what will I get? Minus 13 by 50 minus 62 by 100. So I again want to make this 100. So I will get 6 to minus 26 by 100 minus 62 by 100. So I will write 6, 7, 8 in 8 minus 88 by 100. 4 is 8, 4 is 8, 5 is 10, 0. 2s are 4, 2s are 4, 2s are 4. So minus 22 by 25 is our answer. Is it clear to everyone? This is C part. Okay, D part. D part is minus 0.2 cube multiplied by 27 by 1.6 plus 0.105. Okay, so 0.2 cube is 0.008 with a negative sign. Multiply by 27. If we finish this decimal, if I finish this decimal, there is one number after decimal, so I will get 1 0 above by 16. Plus, if I finish this decimal, there is, I will get one number and there are three digits, so I will get 3 zeros in the bottom. So, and if I finish this decimal, I will get one digit and 3 digits in the denominator. So now I have removed all of the decimals. So what will I get? Minus 8 by 1000 multiplied by 270 by 16 plus 105 by 1000. We need to do the multiplication first following the bit mass rule. So we can write it like this, minus 27 by, let's suppose we keep it 1000 for easy. Okay, let's suppose we keep it 1000 and but we do have 16 over here. Okay, 8 times 1 is 16 and 2 is 16. So we can write 270 divided by 2000 plus 105 divided by 1000. So it can be possible that we can just multiply it with 2. So we get minus 270 by 2000 plus 5 times 2 is 10, 210 by 2000. So you will have 270 and 210, subtract them, 60 by 2000 and sign of the bigger number. So now do the which will be equal to minus 0.03. Yes, students, did you get this question? The important thing is to remove the decimals. After removing the decimals, the question is not that difficult. Just remove the decimal, you will get the easier part of the question. You can do D part once yourself. Also, you can check it on the screen. So if you have any problem, you can ask me. I'm giving you 2 minutes to repeat D part on your notebooks. Repeat D part on your notebooks. If you have any problem, you can ask me. So now we have completed D part and we have to do E and F part. Okay. So let's start part E. So part E says minus 2.4 minus 1.6 cube divided by minus 0.8 cube. So बच्चों सबसे पहले we should know how to find the square of 1.6. So हम यहाँ side पे we will do the find 1.6 multiplied by 1.6. So what we will get? आपने simple 16 to 16 से multiply करना है and the decimals will be added. So 6 times 6 is 36. So you get 256 और 2 पॉइंट्स के बाद डेसिमल आ जाएगा तो आपको 2.56 मिल जाएगा. So you get minus 2.4 minus 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 plus होगा 2.56 divided by 0.8 का क्यूब क्या होगा. इसी तरह आप 0.8 को 3 टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई कर लेंगे. 0.8 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 0.8 multiply by 0.8 तीन दफा मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो यू विल गेट 0.512. अब आपको ये यहाँ तक आपको आ गया है तो अब आप इजीली कर सकते हो. -2.4 -2.56 डिवाइडेड बाय -0.512. इस डिवाइड को मैंने इस तरह क्वेश्चन की फॉर्म में लिखा है. अच्छा, अब इसके बाद हमने देखा कि नीचे डिनोमिनेटर में 3 नंबर्स के बाद डेसिमल, ऊपर 2 नंबर्स के बाद डेसिमल है तो 0 लगा दिया और ये डेसिमल खत्म हो गए. तो क्या आ गया, -2.4 को भी खत्म कर दिया, यहाँ 10 लगा दिया. तो -24/10 यहाँ माइनस माइनस प्लस हो गया. 2560 डिवाइडेड बाय 512. ये आपके पास फाइनली आ गया. अब इसको हम लोगों ने सॉल्व करना है. सबसे पहले हम इसको जितना ज्यादा कर सकते हैं सिंप्लीफाई कर लेते हैं ये वाले टर्म को. तो 2 के टेबल से करते हैं. 2 टाइम्स 1 is 2, 2 is 4, 8 is 16, 0. 2 times 2 is 4, 5 is 10, 6 is 12. So 2 times 6 is 12, 4 is 8, 0. 2 times 1 is 2, 2 is 4, 8 is 16. So 2 times 3 is 6, 2 is 4, 0. 2 times 6 is 12, 4 is 8. Okay. So 8 से कर लेते हैं. 8 times 8 times 4 is 32, and 8 times 8 is 64. So 4 times 2 is 8, 4 times 10 is 40, 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 5 is 10. So basically इस पूरी कैलकुलेशन का आंसर क्या आया है 5 -24/10 प्लस 5 आया है। और ये -24/10 को भी हमने सॉल्व करना था। 2 times 1 is 2, 2 is 4 and 2 times 5 is 10। सो ये हमारा आ गया -12/5 प्लस 5 की डिनोमिनेटर में हमने 1 लगा देते हैं, क्योंकि डिनोमिनेटर में कुछ नहीं है तो 1 लगा देते हैं। मल्टीप्लाई बाय 5 कर लेते हैं। -12/5 प्लस 25/5 विच इज इक्वल टू 3 1 13/5 आपका आंसर है। ठीक है, ये पार्ट भी हो गया हमारा। अब लास्ट पार्ट है हमारा एफ पार्ट है। अच्छा, ये क्वेश्चन थोड़े से मुश्किल बिल्कुल भी नहीं है, बस आपने इनको ध्यान से करना है कि आपसे डेसिमल की कहीं पे भी मिस्टेक ना हो। -7.54 प्लस -5.79 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 7 डिवाइडेड बाय -4। अच्छा, अब देखो, देखने में लग रहा है ये बहुत बड़ा क्वेश्चन है, पर ये उतना ईजी है। सबसे पहले हमने -7.54 -5.79 लिख लिया, मल्टीप्लाई बाय 7 डिवाइडेड बाय 4। डिवाइड को हम क्वोशंट की फॉर्म में लिख लेंगे, -7 आ गया। अब ये जो दो माइनस वाले हैं ये हमें आसानी से करना आते हैं। -7.54 -5.79, माइनस माइनस प्लस होता है। 9 10 11 12 13 3 1 carry 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 3 1 carry 7 8 9 10 11 12 13, so you get 13.33 with the sign of negative, -13.33। और यहाँ पे -7/4 हो गया। ठीक है, माइनस माइनस प्लस हो गया। डेसिमल खत्म कर लेते हैं, क्या आ जाएगा? डेसिमल खत्म किया, नीचे 100 आ जाएगा। तो 1333 डिवाइडेड बाय 100 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 7/4 हो गया। अब बच्चों सिंपल कैंसिलेशन करनी है, वो आप लोग कर सकते हैं। सो लेट्स डू द कैंसिलेशन पार्ट नाउ। ओके, हम लोग कर सकते हैं इसको कैंसिल आउट। Can we cancel out 7 with 4? No, we cannot cancel out. तो हम सिंपल 1 3 3 को मल्टीप्लाई विद 7 कर देंगे, तो we get 9331 डिवाइडेड बाय 400। और इसको हम लोग कैंसिल आउट नहीं कर सकते, we will get the answer in decimal later। ठीक है, is everything clear up till now?
Yes.
ठीक है, अभी आप लोगों को मैं नेक्स्ट, ये हमारी खत्म हो गई एक्सरसाइज में, नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज स्टार्ट नहीं करवा रही, ताकि आप लोग इसी एक्सरसाइज को अच्छे से देख लो। अभी 5 मिनट नहीं है, यू हैव द टाइम कि आप इस एक्सरसाइज को, पूरी एक्सरसाइज को अच्छे से देख लो। और व्हाट आई थिंक है, इसके चैप्टर कंप्लीट हो गया या अभी मजीद है नीचे? दिस वाज व्हिच एक्सरसाइज वी वर डूइंग 4D। सो आई थिंक